Hello friends. In today's video, I will share 9 ways to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting problem on Windows laptop or PC. Let's get started. First of all, right-click on your connected Wi-Fi or network and then click on Forget. After a few seconds, click on Wi-Fi network and then type your Wi-Fi or network password to connect. Once connected, now click on Properties. Now here, change network profile from public to private. Sometimes this small change will work to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue. If this fix does not work, then try the second method. Search for services, and then click on it to open services windows. Now here, scroll down till you will see WLAN Auto Config. After that, right-click on WLAN Auto Config and then click on Properties. Here, make sure that startup type is set to automatic, and then click on Apply. If services status is running, then first stop the services. Wait for a few seconds and then again start the WLAN services. In the last, click on OK to save the changes. Check your problem solver not. If still not, then try the third method. Go to Windows Settings and then click on Network and Internet. Here, click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click on your Wi-Fi network and then click on Properties. Here first, select Internet Protocol version 4, and then click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8.8.8.8 in the preferred DNS server, and 8.8.4.4 in the alternate DNS server. Check the Validate box, and then click on OK to save the changes. Once you've done that, check your problem, solve or not. If still not, then try the fourth method. First, search for CMD. After that, right-click on Command Prompt and then click on Run as Administrator. Now in the command prompt, you need to execute 2 commands. Command 1 is netchas winsock reset, and then press Enter key. After that, type second command netsh int ip reset resetlog.txt and then press Enter key. Once both commands executed successfully, restart your laptop or PC once and see your problem solve, or not. If your problem persists, then try the fifth method. Search for Control Panel and then click on it to open Control Panel. After that, click on Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings beside your selected power plan. In my case, I have selected Balanced. Here, expand wireless adapter settings. Now here, select maximum power saving option to both battery and plug-in, and then click on Apply OK to save the changes. After that, see your problem solve it not. If still not, then try the sixth method. Again, go to Windows Settings, click on Network and Internet. Scroll down till you will see Network Reset. Click on it. Now here, click on Reset Now. This will reset your Wi-Fi network to its default settings. You must restart your laptop or PC so that Wi-Fi network is fully resetted. Once done, click on your Wi-Fi network and then connect again, because Wi-Fi network is resetted. Once you've done that, check your Wi-Fi disconnecting problem solve or not. If still not, then try the 7th method. For that, you need to right-click on Windows icon and then click on Device Manager. Now here first, expand network adapters, locate your Wi-Fi drivers, right-click on it, and then click on Properties. Go to Power Management tab, uncheck the Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power box, and then click on OK to save the changes. After that, check your Wi-Fi disconnecting or not. If problems still persist, then try the 8th method. Again, right-click on Wi-Fi drivers and then click on Update drivers. Check your problem solve or not. If still not, then try the 9th method. Again, right-click on Wi-Fi drivers and then click on Update drivers. This time, click on Browse my computer for drivers and then click on Let me pick option. Now here select any previous working version of Wi-Fi drivers and then click on Next button. Once done, check your Wi-Fi. Disconnecting or not. If still disconnecting, then try the 10th method. Again, right-click on Wi-Fi drivers, and this time click on Uninstall. This will uninstall your Wi-Fi driver. Once uninstalled, restart your PC or laptop. After restarting, Windows will automatically install the best drivers for your Wi-Fi. Check Wi-Fi disconnecting or not. If still Wi-Fi disconnecting, then last possible solution is to download the latest version of Wi-Fi driver for your laptop or PC, and then install Wi-Fi driver manually. These are the ways through which you can fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting problem on Windows. Please do comment which fix will works for you. Thanks for watching.